Hey there! Today I'm going to take you through an essential skill in English communication softening language. This is a powerful tool to make your words sound more polite and considerate. So whether you're a language learner or just brushing up on your English skills, this is for you. First, what exactly is softening language? Well, it's a way of expressing yourself that makes your statements less direct and more gentle. It's like adding a cushion to your words. Why do we use it? In many cultures, especially in English-speaking ones, being direct can sometimes come across as rude or too aggressive. Softening language helps in making your speech more diplomatic and respectful, which is crucial in maintaining good relationships. Let's dive into some examples. Say you're at a restaurant and your order is wrong. Instead of saying, "This isn't what I ordered," you might soften it to, "I'm sorry, but I think there might have been a slight mix-up with my order." Notice the difference? The second version sounds much friendlier and less confrontational. Now, how about in professional settings? If you're a nurse or doctor, softening language is vital. Instead of telling a patient you need to lose weight, you could say, "It might be beneficial to consider some lifestyle changes to improve your health." This approach is not only kinder but can also be more motivating for the patient. For business owners, softening language can be just as important. Imagine you need to correct an employee's mistake. Instead of bluntly saying, "You did this wrong, try, could we possibly look at this together? There might be a better way to handle it next time." This not only preserves the employee's dignity, but also encourages a constructive dialogue. Lastly, for parents, softening language can help in nurturing a positive relationship with your children. Instead of commanding, "Go clean your room now," a softened approach would be, "Could you please tidy up your room at some point today?" It's less of an order and more of a polite request, which can promote cooperation. In conclusion, mastering the art of softening language can significantly enhance your communication skills, making you sound more polite and thoughtful. It's all about the small tweaks in your choice of words that can make a big difference in the way others perceive and respond to you. So keep practicing, and you'll surely get the hang of it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time with more useful tips on English communication. Stay curious and keep learning.